Our planet is home to so many bizarre, interesting and most mysterious places, which are hard to believe. Some of these sites are challenging to get to, others are busy tourist destinations. They keep scientists searching for answers, and the rest of us astounded by the secrets and mysteries the world continues to reveal. Here's a collection of 10 such places for you. Before proceeding, make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest videos. Stonehenge, England. This site in England's Wiltshire dates back to around 3000 BC to 2000 BC. Here, several menhirs are found, placed in the form of a circle, and the Stonehenge is one of the oldest examples of architecture from the Neolithic and the Bronze Age. Research suggests that these stones were individually brought from various other places and then designed artificially to resemble the structure found today. What makes it strange is the fact that each of these standing stones weighs tons, and it is a mystery as to how people in ancient times transported them. Blood Falls, Antarctica. The Blood Falls is referred to a waterfall that flows from the Taylor Glacier, baffling most microbiologists and glaciologists because of its blood-red color. Researchers have found unusually large quantities of iron oxide in West Lake Bonny located in the area. It is this path-breaking discovery that has been inferred as the reason for the color of the falls. It is even more peculiar that amidst all that iron, microorganisms are able to survive at a depth of 1,300 feet under the ice. Nazca Lines, Peru. The Nazca Lines are a series of large ancient geoglyphs in the Nazca Desert in southern Peru. Nazca Lines were created by the Nazca culture between 500 BCE and 500 CE. The figures vary in complexity. Hundreds are simple lines and geometric shapes. More than 70 are zoomorphic designs of animals, such as birds, fish, llamas, jaguars, and monkeys, or human figures. Other designs include phytomorphic shapes, such as trees and flowers. Contrary to the popular belief that the lines and figures can be seen only with the aid of light, they are visible from the surrounding foothills. Longyearbyen, Norway. From April 20 to August 23, the sun never sets over Svalbard, a Norwegian archipelago that lies north of Greenland in the Arctic Sea. The phenomenon plays havoc with everyone's body clocks. Is it noon, or is it midnight? After a day or two, it's hard to tell. The Skeleton Lake, Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand in India is famous for its scenic beauty, pleasant weather and multifarious trekking options. However, there is one such tourist spot that has made a name as a mysterious, strange place, and that is the glacial lake in Rupkund. This lake is located in the Himalayas at a height of 5,029 meters and has earned the name of Skeleton Lake, owing to the hundreds of skeletal remains that are revealed when the snow melts in the region. Archaeologists have come to the conclusion that these remains belong to pilgrims from 850 AD. Sailing Stones of Death Valley, California. How ordinary stones manage to sail over the surface of Racetrack Playa in Death Valley National Park is a mystery people have tried to solve since 1915. The force behind their movement is not confirmed and is the subject of research. Some stones make linear turns, others create a wavy shape on their tracks. No one has ever seen them move, and nobody knows the speed they move with. The mysterious sailing stones of Death Valley turn while they are sliding through the flat-leveled valley, and this leaves different tracks behind them. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. Salar de Uyuni is a magical place. When covered by water, one of the world's largest salt flat becomes a mirror, and anyone walking across it appears to be walking on clouds. The salt crust, which covers 10,583 square kilometers in southwestern Bolivia at 11,995 feet above sea level, is nearly flat, which makes it ideal for calibrating the altimeters of satellites. Salar de Uyuni's origins lie in prehistoric lakes. It is a major breeding ground for several species of flamingos. Rigid structure. Mauritania. The rigid structure, also called the Eye of the Sahara, in Mauritania is a strange circular feature found in the desert. There are several theories provided by scholars. While some say it was created by asteroids, others believe it was a result of a volcanic eruption. The most recent idea is that a large rock that weathered down gradually has caused this feature to come about. However, the perfect sphere and the equidistant rings are still subjects of speculation. The Stone Forest, China. The Shilin Stone Forest in the Yunnan province of China isn't only famous because of the tall trees growing in the area. Instead, there are multitudinous towering limestone formations over an area of 400 square kilometers, giving it the feel of a forest made of gray stones, which make this region look bizarre and yet enthralling. Eternal Flame Falls, New York. Behind the cascade of a small waterfall in the Shale Creek Preserve section of Chestnut Ridge Park in suburban Buffalo, New York, you might see what appears to be an optical illusion. A flickering golden flame. In this region, each day a lot of methane gas escapes from under the ground, thus enabling an inflammable surface. The water occasionally extinguishes the flame, but there's always another hiker with a lighter to reignite it.